Hi there, welcome to FabWebTuts. My name is Farbest. Alright, from the previous tutorial you can see we talked about forms, HTML forms, and I showed you how to use the HTML form element to create HTML form, and we created this form right here. Okay, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create HTML links. Now, links are very important because you may not want to have the entire website on a particular page, that's on a single page. So you can create multiple pages of your website and then create link to link them up. Alright, so that's what I'm going to show you. Now, under this topic, I'm going to show you how to create a link to a particular page, and then also how to create a link to a section of a single page application, and also how to use CDN link, that's content delivery network link. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to move to the top of the document. Actually, I'm going to create the link here at the top. Alright, so let me just drop this line. Alright, so to create a link, you're just going to go ahead and open a tag, and you type A, then you're going to type href. Now this href here is where you're going to type the link to the page you want to go to. Alright, so the page, now I've not created the page yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a name, say second page, like so, .html. That's the extension of the page. So we're just going to go ahead and close the link by typing this. That's, you're opening an anchor tag. This A here means anchor, and then you're closing it here. Now if you leave it this way, it's not going to show anything, so I'm just going to type a text here to show that this is a link. So let's just go ahead and type go to second page, like so. So let me save this. Now if you come to our browser here and we refresh, okay, we're going to have go to second page as a link. Now if you click on it, nothing is going to happen because we don't have a page yet. You can see here it says your file couldn't be accessed, and that's because the file doesn't exist. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and create this page now. So we're just going to click on this new page icon right here, and then let's go back. Then we're going to copy the entire text on this page here, Control A, and then let me just Control C, copy. Let me go back here and then Control V to paste. Now I'm going to remove all the elements in this page, okay, like this. Then within the body tag, that's the opening body tag and the closing body tag, I'm just going to type a random text. No, not actually a random text. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this is the second page, like so. Okay, so let me save this. Control S. So I'm just going to go ahead and type the name I typed on the link. So second page .html. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. Now once you click on save, it's just going to go ahead and recognize it as a HTML file. Alright, so let's just go ahead and go back. Okay, it says go to second page. So let's click now and see if the file is available. So let's click on it. You can see it says this is the second page, and that's what we just typed. Actually, let me just put it in h1 tag. Okay, so I'm just gonna close it here, h1. okay, and save. Now let's refresh. You can see it says this is the second page. Alright, so you can see this is what we just did. We created a link here using the anchor tag. That's this link right here. We created a link, and then we created a link to a page called second page in our website. Now when we refreshed without the page existing, it showed us that this page doesn't exist. Now we have created a page and it's now live. Alright, let me just go ahead and type in something. Alright, let me drop this line and then let's go ahead and drop this here. This is the second page. So let me just go ahead and type welcome to the second page, like so. Save. Let's refresh. You can see what the hell, telecom. All right, so welcome to the second page. Let's refresh. You can see welcome to the second page. This is the second page. All right, so you can just go ahead and create a link to another page of your website. Actually, let me just go out of this. Let me minimize this. Let's go back to our folder here. When we double click, you can see this is the second page right here. So this page is linking to this other page. Actually, let me just do something really interesting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a link here that will link us back to this page. So actually, let me copy this link, copy, and then let me drop it here. Then I'm going to say, what's the name of this page? Headings and lists.html. So I'm going to write headings and lists.html. So let's save this, and then let's open back our browser, and then let's refresh. You can see it says go to second page. All right, what the heck is happening? Why is this go to second page so wide? I mean, so big. All right, this is because we did not close this. What's wrong with me? All right, so let's close this and then save again, refresh. You can see it's now normal. So when you click on this page, it will take you back to the first page. When you click here, it will take you to second page, and so on, back and forth. So that's it. That's how to create a link to other pages of your web document. Now, this is very useful when you have multiple pages on your website. All right, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Now, in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link to a section of your website, just a particular section of your website. I'm going to show you how to create a link that when you click, is going to, scroll to a particular section of your website. All right, so until then, peace out.